Let's talk about two things. Number one, traveling with the Ttool on an airplane, right, where you have a consideration of getting your luggage scanned, and then also cleaning Ttool. I've traveled a lot with a Ttool in my carry-on bag, and I have very rarely had problems, except one time where I did have, basically every time it's always been looked at. You know, they see it on the x-ray and then it's so weird that you have to explain it because they think it's like brass knuckles. So, and one time I did have them confiscated, well not confiscated, but I had to check them if I wanted to take it. So if you do carry a Ttool onto a plane, you are taking a risk that you may have to check it. So please have that in mind if you put it into a carry-on bag, that you'll probably have it looked at and you may have to have it checked, but also I would say 80 to 90% of the time, once I explain it, it's not a problem, but use your own discretion. Now in terms of cleaning Ttool, it is made of stainless steel and it is finished with a custom metallic blend to give it an even better surface quality finish. So, you know, you could clean it with soap and water, you could clean it with gentle cleaners, just use common sense. You know, you're probably not gonna do anything harmful to it by using, you know, regular cleaners, but generally soap and water or a gentle cleaner that you would get to clean your table or some of your other equipment will be totally fine. So that's basically what you need to know about cleaning and traveling with your Ttool.